Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2008 Ford Taurus. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First, start your vehicle. Then we're going to turn our temperature all the way to the coldest setting, down to 60. Make sure that you turn your rear all the way down and your passenger side all the way down. Turn our AC on. And we're going to turn our blower speeds all the way up. Now pop your hood. So now we're under the hood. We've got our recharge hose and R134A refrigerant, which is what we're going to use. We're going to come over here. This is the low pressure AC port cap. We're going to take this cap off. Then we're going to take our hose and we're just going to push it on there, and it's going to kind of snap on. Just like that. So what we're seeing right now is a classic sign that our AC is low on refrigerant. So you saw right there, the needle just snapped down. That's when the AC compressor kicked on. And it's going to kick off here in a second when the pressure gets too low, like that, and pop back up. As the pressure rises back up, the compressor will snap back on. Needle drops back down and keeps bobbing back and forth like that. What we want to do is fill it up till the needle stays solidly right at about 40-45 psi. So to recharge the system, we're going to squeeze the trigger. You'll notice the needle doesn't take a reading when your trigger is squeezed like that. You're just going to oscillate the can between 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Just like this. Just going to keep doing this and letting the compressor draw the refrigerant into the system. We're going to keep doing this as long as it takes to keep this needle from bobbing back and forth. You want it to just be steady in one spot. So now you can see here we got the needle steady. It's not bobbing up and down, back and forth. So that's what we want. And you would want to keep filling this until you get to about 40-45 psi right here. You're going to put in as much as it takes to get it up to that 40-45 mark. It can take a while. I will have this recharge hose and refrigerant and stuff like that linked down in the description below where you can get it online. Another thing here, you do not want to overfill your system. Putting it up here in the yellow and in the red is not going to give you colder AC, and it's going to hurt your system and make it wear out faster. If your needle is up here in the yellow and red and your AC is not working, then you need to make sure that your AC compressor is actually spinning. Your AC compressor is right down there. You can see it on the shadow from my finger where the end of it is spinning right there. That's what you want to make sure that that's spinning right there. If it's not spinning, then you have probably a compressor problem. To get this off, you just put your hand here and pull on this ring and it pops right off. You can replace your cap. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.